Hey guys, how's it going? How to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. So to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App, just verify your Bitcoin app account on Cash App. Open the Cash App on your phone, navigate to Bitcoin, and then enable Bitcoin features to start the verification process if it's not already enabled. Verify your identity by your date of birth and social security number, and then upload a photo of your ID and take a selfie if required. And then after you complete the verification, follow the prompts to finish the verification process. Wait for the confirmation from Cash App that your Bitcoin account is verified. Once verified, you will have access to Bitcoin features on Cash App. So let's read on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.